Today we will see basic words and phrases in French language. Greetings and common phrases. Bonjour, hello, good morning. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, hi. Au revoir, goodbye. Merci, thank you. S'il vous plaît, please. Excusez-moi, excuse me. Oui, yes. Non, no. Comment ça, how are you? Ça va bien, I'm fine. Family. Mia, mother. Père, father. Frère, brother. Sœur, or sister. Enfant, child. Mari, husband. Femme, wife. Days of the week. Lundi, Monday. Mardi, Tuesday. Mercredi, Wednesday. Jeudi, Thursday. Vendredi, Friday. Samedi, Saturday. Dimanche, Sunday. Numbers. 1. Dix, 2. Trois, 3. Quarter, 4. Cinq, 5. 6. Sept, or 7. Huit, 8. Neuf, 9. Dix, 10. Colors. Rouge, a red. Blue, blue. Vert, a green. Jaune, yellow. Noir, black. Blanc, white. Gris, grey. Rose, pink. Food and drinks. Pain, bread. Late, milk. Water. Fromage, cheese. Win, wine. Common objects. Livery, book. Stylo, pen. Table, table. Chaise, chair. Sack, bag. Travel and directions. OU, where? ICI, here. Labas, over there. A gauche, to the left. A droite, to the right. Gare, train station. Time and weather. Here, our time. Matin, morning. Soir, evening. Solil, sun. Pluie, rain. Freud, cold. Chaud, hot. Pronouns. J, I. Tu, you, informal. Il, he. Elle, she. Nous, we. Vous, you, formal plural. Ils, elles, they.